Today we're in the kitchen cooking some braised pork shoulder. Now right there was that Sazon Tropical. Now this was a 9-pound pork shoulder that I had to cut in half, and I put some slits in it. And these two seasonings, that orange pepper, that's it. That's the only seasoning I'm using. That Sazon Tropical and that Sazon, that Badia orange pepper. Get that all in there. Get all in them grooves. Now, normally I would use my Dutch oven pot, but like I said, this is 9 pounds and it wouldn't fit, so I was able to find this pretty big pot, but I won't be able to put the lid on it since I'm putting it in the oven. Now, I'm putting about 2.5 cups of water. You don't want to cover the meat with the water because we're braising it. We're not stewing it. I'm going to cover that with some aluminum foil. I got that oven preheated at 325. Remember, we're braising, so it's going to take a while. Now, it's been 2 hours and 45 minutes. It's ready. Dumped off half that liquid, turned the oven on broil, and 10 minutes later, nice, juicy pork. Can't go wrong with pork. Now, the way you know that this is good and tender and ready is when it does this right here. Can't go wrong with that. Cannot go wrong with that. That's perfect right there. Braised pork shoulder. Not adding none of that liquid on top of it. Leave it like it is. Simple. Look at this cut. Get through there real good. Open that up. Can't leave out the other piece. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Tender. Moist. Put that on the plate with some brown jasmine rice, some broccoli, and some sweet plantains. Braised pork shoulder. Subscribe if you like what you see.